Welcome to the best gaming of all time. The game is Minecraft and it's the best gaming. And this is Beef Lethal's gaming. It's the best. It's so good. And today, the Minecraft that we are playing is called Gadget SMP, and it's the best gaming of all time. And you're gonna love this gaming. Fuck you, sheep. Fuck you. I fucking hate you. Die. I hate you so much. You are the reason my... What? Ah! Can you guys hear me eating? Okay, good. Oh. That's hot. I am a friend to nature. I am a friend to God. Is that lava or is that a person? I think that's... Oh, I forget the name. You good? Do you need help with those zombies? Oh my god, baby zombie. I'm out. Bruh. Fuck. Super dude! Super dude, help! There's baby zombies! Fuck. I'm sorry. This is terrible. This is terrible. No! No! The zombies! No, I need my stuff! No! No, the baby zombies are getting me! No! But, yeah, right now I'm just getting, like, spawn killed by baby zombies. Yeah, it rules. Rest in peace. What the hell? Yo! Jesse, we need to smelt. Jesse, you don't choose Silk Touch, you have to choose Fortune. Oh my god, this cave is full of ores and such. This cave is full of blunt smoker. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna, can we just like split this iron since we only have one furnace? Fuck, Jesus Christ, Casey. I'm the original Star Walker. This water is pissing me off. Yo, wait, do you know like the lapis trick? Okay, the lapis trick, it's a rumor. But like, basically, if you go like 3 down and like go north, you'll find diamonds. I don't know. People have tried it. They say it works. I'm digging straight down, guys. I'm doing it. Fuck! Lava! Shit! This was bad! This... Lava! Lava! Oh, no! Damn it. Hey, do you want to hear my Alvin and the Chipmunks impression?
Back to the bone. Da 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 da. Casey, what do you think of my Alvin and the Chipmunks impression? Theodore. Why not? Okay, how about this one? I'll be Alvin. The cheese balls are in my hizza. Well, you can tell by the.
I think this is Among Us. Alright, this is my starter base. It's pretty good, I think. I think it's pretty awesome, pretty swag, and I think this is the best build I've ever done in Minecraft, actually. I'm really impressed with how it turned out. It looks really good, and I'm really happy with it. So I'm just gonna go into my base here, and what? Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Guys, I think. Hold on, let me check what time it is. It's 3 a.m., guys. Guys, it's literally 3 a.m. right now. It's 3 a.m. right now, and Jigsaw is in my house in Minecraft.
Bruh.
Hello, I have come to play a game. It's called Minecraft, and it's the most fun you can have while playing an app. What I'm only in the game. I'm pretty bad survivor, but wanted TXT. I need to get real in real life. I need you to do something for me.
What do you want from me? What do you want? I don't know. I don't know what he wants, guys. This is really scary.
I need you to go online and order a dark web package from the Onion browser website, theonion.com, the newspaper. They'll send newspaper to your house. I need you to buy it and get the 3 a.m. Jigsaw posted.
Okay, I'll do that. Please don't kill me with your traps, Mr. Jigsaw. I'll do that. So please don't. I'm crying because of how much I want to live. I have the will to live.
I know that's why I chose you to become the next Jigsaw, as you have to drink the 3 a.m. posted the Jigsaw posted to the dark net, and it'll make you turn into Jigsaw.
Oh my God, guys! I'm not sure if I want that, but he's saying that I have to. So I'll go on the internet, guys, and I'll order the dark web package. Alright, I ordered it, but it's still pretty scary. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys.
But good job. I'm going back to the internet space, it's Space Jam, where the serververse. Yeah, LeBron James, he's doing a game with the Looney Tunes. I have to go see it. It's really important. Okay, bye.
Guys, there he goes. He's walking away. That was pretty scary. That was pretty scary, guys. All right. Well, getting back on track. Getting back to business. Getting back to whatever the hell we were doing there. That was kind of creepy, like, right, guys? That was kind of weird. Oh, like that was pretty creepy. That was pretty scary. But Wait, what's this? What's this suspicious looking package? It must be. Guys, it must be the dark web package that I ordered off of the dark web. Alright. And that means this must be the Jigsaw 3 a.m. potion. I don't know, guys. Do you think that I should drink it? Comment down below yes or no or fuck you if you think that I should drink it, okay? And make sure to like that subscribe button, comment that share button, and yes, yes, yes. I think I'm gonna have to drink it, or else maybe Jigsaw he'll like put me in a trap or something. I don't know. Um, yeah, okay. Deep breaths. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it seems pretty normal. It all seems pretty good so far. But oh,
Bruh.
Oh, I think my...
Oh my God!
Guys, what happened to my voice? Something crazy. Guys, my voice just dropped like 10 octaves. What is this? Wait, guys, where did this bow tie come from? Where did this bow tie come from? I wasn't wearing it before. You guys saw that, right? You saw that, right? This is too scary. Wait, guys, in Minecraft, I turned into Jigsaw, and now I'm turning into that. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? What are you? Guys, I turned into Jigsaw. This sucks so bad. I feel something happening to me. Guys, something weird is happening to me. Where did this coat come from? This jacket, I don't even own one of these. Wait, no, this can't be. No, I've turned into Saw. This is so crazy, guys.
Bruh.
I'd like to play a game. It's called Minecraft. Gadget SMP better watch out for me, Jigsaw. This is not Beef Lethal's gaming anymore. Get that out of here. Get it off screen. This is now Jigsaw Gaming. Yeah. Alright. I'll see you, gamers, next time in the next Gadget SMP episode. This was a good first episode, I think. And I can't wait for more Minecraft hijinks with you guys. Next episode on Saw Gaming. Happy Halloween.